This is the original RS3M, MF3RS3M. Ooh, so we have the cube, a stand. It's pretty nice. Ooh. So this cube was, I think, back in the day, like $15. It's kind of like UV coated or like just glossy. Interesting. It's pretty blocky. This is not bad. Good. But yeah, this is for the unboxing part of the video. See you on the review part of the video. So I have this cube for about 3 weeks now and I don't like it. It's not a very good cube. Yeah, it was a very good budget cube from back in the day. It was released in 2019. It was only $15 and I think for that time it was a very good cube. But it doesn't have tensioning system, and when the RS3M 2020 was released in 2020, this cube got forgotten and discontinued. You can barely get it, and I think it's for a good reason, because it's just not a good cube. I really like the feel of this cube. It's kind of a mixture of WRM 2019 and RS3M 2020, but I do average 2 seconds slower than on my main cube, so I would not recommend it at all. I got this cube just for collection because the cube is very hard to get because it's been discontinued. I did find one store that still sells it for only $5, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get it, but I don't really see a reason. The cube is pretty bad for today's standards, but it's pretty interesting because it is the ancestor of the most popular speed cube ever. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.